bench. We here in the village have been having a spot of trouble with our local evil wizard, Baaldaar the Gaastly. I know you can help.
Give me 10. I'll put a hole in his skull. He won't bother you anymore.
No! This village has seen enough violence for one lifetime. We want this solved peacefully. Just get him to leave us alone.
No killing? Sure. No problem.
So let me get this straight. We're trying to not aggro this guy?
Yeah, you heard the bird. Don't worry, I'm sure this will be super duper easy since you're both masters of finesse. Smoothest of the smooth.
Oh, we can finesse. We're finesse-capable.
Aw, you really do think that? And I want you to know, from me to you, it's really adorable.
That's enough to wilt grass. Cartography. My first love. Are you the evil wizard?
Yes, I take pride in finding new and exciting ways to terrorize those infernal nerds in the village. And with this one-of-a-kind scroll, I shall unlock an ancient tomb housing a weapon more horrifying than you can imagine.
Oh, terrible man. I could end him. But I did promise non-violence. I see only one other option.
Soon, you'll serve me!
Don't make me use this, because I promised I wouldn't. Just leave the village alone.
Ha! Threaten me, will you? You think mere mortal weapons can defeat me? The evil wizard Baaldaar, scourge of the village? How idiotic! You'll never catch me, fool!
Oh, I'll catch you all right.
You'll never catch Baaldaar the Ghaastly! Oh no! The big hero! Those goblins were asking for it! I can do this all day, fool! I can blink a port infinity times!
Eruptor!
The more you pursue me, the more havoc I'll wreak upon that pathetic village. Keep your stinking hands off me, you damn dirty cheap-thing clown. Saved it. You run around like a coil chasing its tail. You'll never catch Baaldaar the Ghaastly.
I'd give it all for a little more.
Stay away from me, goblin tool!
Don't make me threaten you again.
No! Don't hurt me! I'm far more frail than I seem. I'll leave the village alone, I swear. I'll even leave you with this. It will unseal an ancient cave, and within you will find a weapon.
I feel a great shift in the magical fabric of the universe. Did you solve our wizard problem?
Ah, yes, violence-free. He gave me a scroll as a sign of good faith. It unseals an ancient cave housing a weapon.
Oh, dear. A weapon, you say? Well, you're obviously more than capable of solving our problems without violence. Please get that weapon away from us before any more harm comes to our peaceful village.
Man, what were we thinking trying to intimidate an egomaniac like that?
I don't know. I panicked. My only other thought was to try and kiss him.
That was your only other thought? That kind of thinking is why we're not allowed on Hedon 6 anymore.
You're feeling luckier, Mamacita.
Whoa, that's my boy!
Don't believe anything they say!
Excuse me. Let's get to that cave.
No, and I don't care who sent you. It's too risky. We don't want any more violence. Oh, hiding something, fascist? Let's see what you got in there.
Okay. If I don't shoot this goblin, there may be a couple of other ways forward. Wow, you have such kind eyes. Do you feel this too? I think we're meant to be together. Come with me. Let's start our journey through this thing called life.
Oh my god, I feel it too. Yes, absolutely. Let's be crazy kids and just do this. Disgusting! Fascist pigs! The both of you! The resistance won't forget this!
Danger lies ahead for those who trespass.
So I gotta ask, why do we seduce the little green dude, but not the powerful wizard? Honestly, I will never understand human urges.
What? It felt right in the moment. And I mean, it worked, didn't it?
Yeah, and now he will not stop following us. Is this forever?
That's what he wants to know.
Ugh.
Has anyone ever told you that you've got a great right?
Army. Foes. Oh! A little water next time would be nice.
Close to good
Explode! Ready to bring the arcane pain? Such a murderous mushroom! See what happens?
Where you like a poncho? All that meat just
I gotta call my bank so we can merge our accounts.
Time to put this scroll to use. Let's see what weapon hides in this ancient tomb.
That scroll looks like serious trouble. Don't risk a love like this, baby. And not when we're getting started. Please, be careful.
Okay, let me just read. Aperta dilatato foraminis. Shooting, not seducing is the move here.
You can do it, sweetie.
Means nothing!
up to the dark side.
Oh, skull hole. Neat.
Oh, thank you so much for noticing.
Just say the word, baby, and we can get out of here. Fresh start, no weapons, no ancient guardian's ominous voice, no scrolls. Just us and our love.
You have completed the ritual. How dare you wake me from my ancient slumber? I have proved that, fool, you will never survive my wrath.
Oh, rough. At least we didn't have to listen to it talk. Well, that was something. Seems I can just quietly take this and go. Slice of me is worth 10 of the rest.
You'll never. Ooh, you heroes make my blood boil.
Ready to go, sweetie?
Oh, you. Right. I'm afraid I think we're better off as friends.
Oh. Yeah, I was just thinking the same thing, for sure. Same. Great. This is perfect. So, see you around, then? I guess. Maybe. Okay. Great. This is great. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Sure. I did kill an ancient guardian, but it was a necessary evil.
It is disappointing to hear you turn to violence, but I am appreciative of your efforts nonetheless. You may keep that wretched weapon.
But magic's dry.